Hi there, students. Some verbs with the mouth and the voice and the tongue. Okay? So, first of all, you can chew. So you to chew. You can bite something, or you can nibble. Just a little bite. A mouse nibbles. You could lick. Maybe lick your lips. When you're tired, you could yawn. It's very rude. You could whistle. Or you could sigh. To sigh. You could hum. To hum. Well, what else could you do? You could blow. Or you could suck. You can inhale, air in, or you can exhale, breathe in or breathe out. Yeah, try another one. You could wheeze, to wheeze, or even cough. Or maybe you could verb. Okay, okay, it's when air comes up from your stomach to verb. So, there you go. Some verbs or some vocabulary with the mouth and tongue. Chew, bite, nibble, lick, yawn, whistle, sigh, hum, blow, suck, inhale, exhale, breathe in, breathe out, wheeze, cough, and burp. So, there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. You could subscribe to my channel, add this to favorites, and even make a comment if you want. Bye for now.